So you might be in a situation where for some reason split screen multitasking is not working on iPadOS 26. So you can see right here, you might be able to go through and maybe put one application to the other, but when you go through and try to put an application next to the other one, you can see it's not working. Number one, the first thing to remember, you have to make sure that these particular applications are actually compatible with one another. The settings application isn't able to be split screen no matter what I do. However, if I take the exact same approach and use the Safari browser, look what happens. I'm able to go ahead and pretty much go and kind of get it working. But the application in this case doesn't work. But the application you have to make sure is supported with split screen. That's basically number one. Now, number two, what you're also going to want to do is make sure you're dragging it over to the right side. Sometimes an application might not work. If I go and make my way over to the Safari browser, let me go and try it this way. Try going through, taking up this app store like this, and then try doing that same approach with the application. Again, some applications may not work, where other ones may end up working. So that's going to be another thing you're going to have to try thinking about. Now, on top of that, you might also want to make sure that under your display options, so go inside of your settings, under your multitasking and gestures option, you want to make sure that your particular specific thing is set in the way that it needs to be set. So if you have full screen apps, this allows you to do full screen and you can swipe between the apps. The newer approach is with windowed apps. So if you tap on windowed apps, this allows you to go through and basically have more of a windowed approach with your applications. So now if we do the same thing, if we hold down this application, look at what happens. I can basically swing this thing over kind of to the side, but the new approach is basically with these windowed applications, and now you can kind of have them become more like a window. You can also try dragging and dropping applications on top of another. That might end up doing it for you, and that might be something you might have to kind of look into. Now, if that's still not working, you might want to try updating your particular iPad. So make your way over to your iPad settings, tap into the general option here, tap onto software update, and try updating your particular iPad, and there might be another way to go and fix this problem as well. So those are kind of the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, till then.